Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do this assignment step by step and you can get done this assignment by watching my video. If you want to do this assignment or if you want to do another assignment like Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, Access assignment, so you can contact me and you can hire me. If you want to do another course like accounting, management, business, finance, mathematics, statistics, for any other course, so you can contact me and you can hire me. I am available 24 hours for you. So today we will do this assignment step by step. So I already downloaded this file from Cengage website. So our assignment title is New Perspectives Excel 365 Model 1 and Model Project 2. Kerasson Robotics. So get started. Get started. This is non-graded part of this assignment. So we will start from graded part. Project step. The total project step of this project 17. So we will start from first step. Our first step is on the Stowe Invoice worksheet, change the height of row 1 to 36 to yellow room for the worksheet title. On the Stowe Invoice worksheet, we will go to Excel sheet, then we will go to Stowe Invoice worksheet. Okay. Change the height of row 1 to 36. Go to Excel sheet, then select row 1 and then right click, then click row heights 36, then click OK. So our first step is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 2. Step number 2 is in the range B2 to G3, change the font size to 11 point to de-emphasize the content. We will select this range B2 to G3. Select this range and change the font size to 11 point. We will change font size of this range. Go to font group and then change the font size 11 point. Okay. So our step number 2 is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 3. Step number 3 is move the contents of the range H4 to H6 to the range C4 to C6 to list the billing information in the correct location. Okay. We will select the range. We will select this range H4 to H6, H4 to H6, and then we will move this range H4 to H6. We will move this range C4 to C6. Okay. Move this range C4 to C6. Our step number 3 is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 4. Step number 4 is in cell G4 enter 5/20/2029 as the date. Okay. In cell G4, we will click cell G4 and then we will enter this date 5/20/2029. Okay. 5/20/2029. Press enter. Step number 4 is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 5. Step number 5 is auto-fit the width of column C to match the cell content. Okay, auto-fit the width of column C. We will go to Excel sheet. We will select column C and then here double click and auto-fit the width of column C. Okay, so our step number 5 is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 6. Step number 6. Step number 6 is in cell C12. In cell C12, change the contents to read robot mouse to use the full name of the product. We will go to Excel sheet, then click cell C12, change the content to read robot mouse, full name of the product, robot to robot robot mouse, full name of the product. Okay, so our step number 6 is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 7. Step number 7 is in the range E11 to F13, enter the values shown in table 1 into the corresponding cell. Okay, we will select this range E11 to F13, E11 to F13, and we will put these values in this range. Okay, we will select this and we will copy, press Ctrl plus C. Okay, then click cell E11 and paste, Ctrl V. Okay, and then copy this 31.95 and then paste and copy 52.95 and then paste here and then copy 7.00 and paste in cell F11 and then copy F5.00 and paste in cell F12 and copy 6.00 and paste cell F13. Okay, so our step number 7 is done. So now we will move to next step, step number 8. Step number 8. In cell G10, enter a formula without using a function to determine the total price for the dry erase coding made by multiplying the quantity cell D10 by the unit price cell E10 and then subtracting the discount cell F10 from the result. So we will select cell G10. First multiplies D10 multiply E10 equal D10 multiply E10, then subtract F10. Subtract F10 means discount. So press enter. Our step number 8 is done. Now move to next step, step 9. Step 9 is copy the formula in cell G10 and then paste it in the range G11 to G13. G11 to G13. So we will copy and paste from G11 to G13. So our step number 9 is done. Total step of this assignment 17 and I done 9 step of this assignment. If you want to do full assignment, if you want to do another assignment, so you can contact me and you can hire me. I am available 24 hours. Okay, and thank you for watching my video.